Hello, today I'm going to talk about a module of the MD component. The MD file is a component of Joomla helping you to manage the uploaded stuff. For the MD file category that we are going to talk about today, it's a module that helps you to display the category of your files. As you can see here, it displays names of the category, also displays number of files inside a category as well. For example, the PC category here, it has 2 files inside, or here, the Joomla extension, there is 1 file inside the category. It shows name, image, and the detail of that file. So you can use the module to display category on your website. This is pretty much about it. To show the category and total files inside, the user can easily download the file here because it's directly linked to the file location. Okay, I think that's all about the MDFile category module, and see you next time. Thank you very much indeed.